stuck in the river. In the river. I don't know where it is. First time this year. Actually quite clear. Not too deep either. Some interesting things. I keep getting. I don't know if that's interesting or not, but biggest sherd I found today. Some sort of dish. Might not be old. I don't know. These little bits out as well. Yeah, it's not too bad really. Loads of pottery. It was very cold. Went in for a bit. Plain. But like I say, there is loads. Some here. See this bit here? Ah, it's quite chunky. Sort of blue design. I don't know how much of this you can actually see, but there's a bit there. That's a piece of chalk. Oh well. Take care not to slip in. Bit there. It's plain. Keep finding that. Bit there. Plain again. With salad. I'll show you one more bit. Hopefully it'll be a winner. So it is absolutely everywhere. I'll get this bit out. Plain again. Oh well. One more. Find a bit that could be nice. It looks like it might have something on it. It's there. No, but I can tell you that's a plate. Part of a plate. Well, got some friends here with me. See you later. As you can hopefully see, the water clarity is not too bad. Had quite a lot of rain, but I'm not sure how much of this you can see. I think there's a bit of blue and white down here. Missed it. There we go. Willow pattern. I should have brought a bag really, but is that another bit of blue and white? This water's freezing. Yeah, there you go. Just put them in my pocket. Part of the plate, I think, plain. I say the water clarity isn't that bad. Another bit of plain. I don't know if you can see this, but I think the storms over the winter have uncovered a lot of this. Bit here, I'm going to go for. It's plain bit of plate. A lot of plain stuff, but oh, I think that's a bit of blue and white. See it there? Yeah. So all these white bits, a lot of it is pottery. Some's obviously chalk, but let's go for this one. A bit of plate, plain again. Another one there. Oh. Blue on the edge. I don't know why I'm picking this lot up, I've got shitloads at home. Bit of blue and white there. Oh yeah. That is quite nice. Anyway, that's it for now. Right, yeah. Anyway, these are some bits I've picked up. Some quite nice actually. I'm not taking it all with me. Really like this one. With all some cherry sort of things on it. think is that featherware? I'm not a pottery expert. Oh, maybe that one is. That one there. Strange bit of green. And I think that's the lid. Some sort of face cream, I think. Well, that's a bit of Victorian marmalade jar. You see the ribs in it. That's about it for now. See you later.